Oh boy, application, real life problems here. How long would it take for an investment to double if interest was compounded continuously at 8%? Which is, when you guys take personal finance stuff, the rule of doubling is actually important. You know, how fast does your money double so that when you do your retirement account, you have a way of estimating where you're going to be in 30 or 40 years. So, how long would it take for money to invest, money to double when you invest it at 8% and also continuous, which tells you to use the PERT? So the problem is a lot of people look at this and they say, well, there's clearly not enough information because I don't know how much money the person has in the bank, right? However, doubling is doubling. If I have $1, it'll double to 2. If I have $100, it doubles to 200. If I have 11, it doubles to 22, right? So you can pick any number you want.
It's 7.
7. I have $7. When I double that, it'll be 14. So remember, 7 would be your starting value, the principal. How much you end up with is the amount of 14. E to the 0.08, and we're going to say t. Because t is what I don't know. How long, how many years does it take to double? The point is, when everybody picks their favorite number, and you divide it,
It's not my favorite.
the point is, everybody ends up with the 2 there. So when it doubles, everybody's going to have 2. What do we do to solve it? You can rewrite it in log form or ln both sides. So this is the ln of 2. ln of e is 1. When the 0.08t comes down in front, it's just 0.08t. Divide by 0.08 on both sides. I don't know, that almost looks like a Greek letter up there, sorry. Natural log of 2 divided by 0.08. This is what I said yesterday. You walk around telling people, you know, my brother's natural log of 2 divided by 0.08 years old, you get punched in the face. Application problems need to be solved. This does not make sense to anybody. You sat down with your financial advisor, he says your money's going to be doubling okay, that doesn't make sense. So we need to approximate it for people. What do you get?
8.664.
8.66, I heard?
8.664.
So about 8 2/3 years. So somewhere between 8 and 9 years, your money would double. At 10%, the rule is every 7 years. Don't always look for. You have $50,000 to invest. You need to have $350,000 to retire in 30 years. At what continuously compounded interest rate would you need to invest to reach your goal? So I start with $50,000. I make, or I want, you know, maybe this is our vacation account, so we're going to end up with $350,000
That's a great vacation.
E to the R, because I don't know what it is, times 30. So this time we're solving for the interest rate. Interest rate. 30 years. They want, you know, you're going to retire in 30 years is the idea. So divide both sides by 50,000. And you get 7. What are you going to do? ln it. ln of 7 equals r times 30. How do you get r by itself? Divide by 30. Your somebody told you that National Average 7 divided by 30 for an interest rate, that wouldn't make sense. Sorry, just wrote it wrong again. National Average 7 divided by 30.
0.064.
Make sure you close it. What do you got? 0.065. What does that, that's a decimal. What is the interest rate? Approximately 6.5%. So, interest rate, I don't think I would take points off on the test if you just gave me the decimal, but they're asking for interest rate, so pay attention and write the interest rate. One more?
No, boy. Oh, no, bye.